If you're tired of feeling drained, anxious, or like you're not getting a restful night's sleep, there's a good chance that you may have a magnesium deficiency. But here's the good news. Restoring magnesium in your body is easier than most people think. However, it does require a combination of smart nutrition, lifestyle adjustments, and awareness of your body's unique needs. As a leading expert in the field, I've dedicated my career to helping people just like you understand the intricate connection between nutrition and overall health. In today's video, we'll dive into the fascinating topic of magnesium and its profound impact on our well-being. We will explore the often overlooked ways to naturally heal magnesium deficiency and guide you towards a healthier, more vibrant life. Whether you're dealing with chronic fatigue, muscle tightness, or simply looking to enhance your quality of life, the insights shared in this video could be a game changer. Stay tuned and let's embark on this journey to better health together. Magnesium is a crucial mineral that plays a pivotal role in hundreds of critical processes in the body, from energy production and muscle function to nerve signaling and bone health. Magnesium is a true workhorse. Unfortunately, modern diets and lifestyles often leave us deficient in this essential nutrient. When our magnesium levels drop, it can manifest in a variety of uncomfortable symptoms, like persistent muscle cramps, insomnia, and even heightened anxiety. But the solution might be closer than you think, and it doesn't involve complicated diets or expensive supplements. So if you're ready to tackle magnesium deficiency and unlock a world of improved health and vitality, then keep watching. I'm going to share with you 9 powerful ways to heal magnesium deficiency naturally. Number 1, eat magnesium-rich whole foods. The foundation of any good health plan is wholesome nutrition. Whole foods are packed with essential nutrients and are your body's best source of energy and health. They offer a balanced mix of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work together to fuel your body's functions and keep you feeling great. The real magic lies in how these nutrients complement each other. For example, vitamin C helps your body absorb iron better, while vitamin D aids in calcium absorption for strong bones. By including a variety of whole foods in your daily diet, you provide your body with the tools it needs to thrive. Whole foods are also typically high in fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. This is important because a well-functioning digestive system is key to absorbing essential nutrients like magnesium. So when it comes to healing magnesium deficiency, it's crucial to start with the basics. Incorporate plenty of magnesium-rich foods into your daily meals. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and chard are particularly good sources. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and cashews, provide a concentrated dose. Beans and lentils are excellent for a steady supply, while whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats offer an additional mineral boost. Interestingly, even dark chocolate in moderation can be effective in boosting your magnesium intake while satisfying a sweet tooth. The key is to integrate these foods into balanced daily meals. Doing so not only helps meet your nutritional needs, but also sets the stage for improved health and well-being. Number 2, try magnesium-rich mineral water. Mineral water straight from the earth can be a hidden gem when it comes to addressing a magnesium deficiency. Naturally occurring magnesium in mineral water contributes to your daily intake when you hydrate with these mineral-rich waters. But why choose mineral water? Well, it contains beneficial minerals, like magnesium, that can positively impact your health. According to studies, regular consumption of mineral water can help improve bone health, aid digestion, and even boost the immune system. These natural waters often have a lower sodium content compared to tap water, making them a healthier choice for those watching their salt intake. The minerals present in the water can also give it a unique taste and a subtle, refreshing feel on your palate. This can be a delightful change of pace from the standard taste of tap water. However, it is important to ensure that you select mineral water that is free from contaminants to fully enjoy its potential benefits. Choosing the right mineral water can be a simple yet effective addition to your routine, helping you gradually replenish your body's magnesium reserves while enjoying a healthy hydration habit. Number 3, use topical magnesium. For those facing challenges with oral magnesium supplements or digestive absorption issues, topical applications can offer a valuable alternative. Magnesium oil or magnesium spray is a popular choice, typically applied to the arms, legs, or stomach. This method provides a way to bypass the digestive system, potentially enhancing the delivery of magnesium to the body. Additionally, topical magnesium can help soothe and relax muscles, offering relief from discomfort or cramping. Magnesium baths using Epsom salt, which is magnesium sulfate, are another excellent option. Soaking in a warm bath infused with Epsom salt allows the skin to absorb magnesium while the body relaxes. This practice not only helps increase magnesium levels, but also promotes overall relaxation and calmness. Number 4, reduce magnesium draining habits. Certain habits and lifestyle choices can accelerate the loss of magnesium in the body. Stress, whether chronic or acute, is a significant contributor to magnesium loss through increased excretion. To counter this, incorporating stress-reducing practices like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises can be beneficial. Similarly, excessive consumption of caffeine and alcohol can interfere with magnesium absorption and retention. Being mindful of these habits and finding ways to moderate or eliminate them can make a significant difference in maintaining adequate magnesium levels. Simple swaps, like replacing one caffeinated drink a day with water, herbal tea, or a magnesium-rich smoothie, can help replenish your body's stores gradually. Number 5, improve sleep and relaxation routines. The connection between magnesium and sleep is bidirectional. Poor sleep can worsen magnesium deficiency, and low magnesium levels can make it harder to sleep well. Prioritizing sleep hygiene by establishing a relaxing bedtime routine is crucial. This can include activities like dimming the lights, reading, or gentle stretching to signal the body that it's time to rest. Limiting screen time before bed can also help reduce blue light exposure, which can interfere with melatonin production and disrupt sleep patterns. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends, can regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Number 6, moderate mindful exercise. Regular physical activity is essential for maintaining good health, but it's important to be aware of the potential impact on magnesium levels. Intense or prolonged exercise can lead to temporary magnesium loss through sweat. Therefore, finding a balance in your workout routine is key. Engaging in moderate intensity activities, such as walking, swimming, yoga, or light strength training, can help improve circulation and support your body's natural processes, including the use of magnesium. It's also beneficial to pair exercise with a magnesium-rich diet and ensure you're consuming enough magnesium-dense foods before or after your workout. Number 7, combine magnesium with complementary nutrients. Certain nutrients can enhance the absorption and effectiveness of magnesium in the body. For example, vitamin D is known to support magnesium uptake, while vitamin B6 can assist magnesium in entering cells more readily. By incorporating foods rich in these vitamins into your diet, you can create a synergistic effect that boosts magnesium's benefits, including foods like eggs, salmon, avocado, or fortified foods that are high in vitamin D and B6 can help your body utilize magnesium more efficiently. This is particularly helpful for individuals with existing magnesium deficiencies, ensuring they get the most out of their dietary intake or supplements. Number 8. Listen to your body. Paying attention to your body's signals is fundamental to understanding your overall health. Recognizing early signs of magnesium deficiency can prevent more serious issues down the road. Common indicators include muscle twitches, restless leg syndrome, anxiety, fatigue, headaches, or difficulty sleeping. These symptoms often signify a need to address your magnesium levels. Once you become attuned to these signs, you can take proactive steps, such as increasing magnesium-rich foods in your diet, considering supplementation, or making lifestyle changes to get your magnesium levels back on track. Proactively managing these signs of deficiency empowers you to maintain better overall health and well-being. Number 9. Consistency is key. Restoring magnesium levels is a journey that requires consistency rather than a quick fix. It's not about a single meal, supplement, or bath, but about providing your body with ongoing support. Integrating the methods discussed, such as adding nuts to your breakfast, using Epsom salt baths, reducing stress, and staying active can yield significant results over time. Small, consistent actions compound into big changes, improving your energy, sleep, mood, and general well-being. Key to success is listening to your body, being patient, and persisting with these practices. In conclusion, magnesium is a vital nutrient that plays a pivotal role in numerous bodily functions. Restoring magnesium levels naturally involves a multifaceted approach that includes dietary changes, lifestyle adjustments, and an understanding of your body's unique needs. By incorporating magnesium-rich foods, reducing magnesium-draining habits, managing stress, and getting enough sleep, you can lay the foundation for improved magnesium balance. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support. Your engagement helps spread awareness about magnesium deficiency and its solutions. Together, we can prioritize our health and well-being and share valuable insights with others. Remember, small changes over time lead to big results. With dedication and consistency, you can restore your magnesium levels and unlock a better, brighter, more vibrant you.